Hello friends and welcome back to the Technology channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte Aorus GeForce RTX 5090 Stealth Ice graphics card. So friend, Gigabyte launched the GeForce RTX 5090 Stealth Ice 32GB graphics card designed exclusive for Gigabyte Project STEALTH series, and this new graphics card inherits the minimalistic philosophy of Project STEALTH by adopting a hidden power connector design, allowing seamless cable routing and cleaner build layout tailored for enthusiasts who prioritize aesthetics, refinement, and efficient assembly, and the card offer both cutting-edge performance and streamlined look that elevate any gaming setup. So, friend, the graphics card with a hidden power connector eliminates visible cabling from the traditional front-facing position, creating a seamless and minimalistic look inside the chassis, and the design allows users to better highlight the card RGB lighting, LCD edge view, and streamlined and elegant look, delivering a clean, unified aesthetic that perfect embodies the spirit of Project Steel. So, friend, the AORUS GeForce RTX 5090 Stealth Ice graphics card features an upgraded WINDFORCE cooling system for the new generation. It includes new design fan. Together, this improvement significantly boosts heat distribution efficiency, ensuring the GPU run cool and stable even under heavy workload. And this comprehensive thermal solution allows gamers and creators to fully unleash the performance potential of the RTX 5090 while maintaining quiet and reliable operation. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.